Hello everyone. Parents' efforts are way more compared to when we had physical classes. We miss our students and wish we could return to in-person classes on campus. Currently, this is not an option. We did not choose this format, but we accept the current situation and are working hard so that your child can continue to learn and grow every day. ACHS teachers and staff are continuously evaluating our online curriculum to best meet the needs of our students and are developing creative solutions to exercise our students' minds in the remote classroom setting. But we can't do it alone. We need our parents' support. If parents are enthusiastic and about online learning and take it seriously, this will encourage their children to do so as well. We recognize our younger students require more parental guidance in their online learning because their lessons and activities are often for shorter period of time due to their shorter attention spans. If your child typically rushes through an assignment or activity, try setting a timer for 10 or 15-minute increments. Encourage your child to continue working on an activity until the timer goes off. This can help a child stay focused and take their time to complete their schoolwork. On a positive note, online learning provides our students with an opportunity to develop their technology skill as they learn to navigate different websites, online tools, and send in completed assignments. As your child develops these skills, they will be better equipped to complete their daily assignments on their own. It is important for students to take breaks and get physical activity, preferably outdoors. Physical activity is important for your child's health and also provides learning opportunities. Children learn to work together and resolve conflicts when they play with friends or siblings. They explore their surroundings and interact with nature. This also shapes their understanding of how things work. Online learning presents challenges, but together we can continue to encourage and support our students in their learning. Remember, this is temporary. We look forward to returning to the classroom and appreciate your support during these unprecedented times. Thank you.